Hello guys, welcome to the another video. Today we just will talk about and continue the video about how to implement the DDoS resilience in the application and the environment of the cloud. And in this video, we just will continue with the custom rules of the echoes. Is ECL. The ECL is the web access control list of the WAF AWS is to protection of the applications. And the last video we learned how to implement the rules that in generally is for the web application protection against the exploitation and wide range of vulnerabilities, include those described and the AWS app publications of AWS. And also we implemented the SQL database protection that is associated with the block requests from the exploitation SQL database, like SQL injections and attacks in the directly in database. And today we just will create the custom role, and the custom role is a little bit similar of the last rules that we just put in general, but the difference in these rules is that we just will create your one rule, and this is useful because we just sometimes want to use and add logic relevant that for your specific application that you are using. And we just will sometimes block in the HTTP request like IP headers or body or URI and query parameters in this case. And based on this component, we can inspect and block, allow the request or allow the request in this case. The creation of this symbol is like before. We just go in WAF that we see in the last video, and we just will create a view response request that can proceed with the block of this request. I just will explain a little bit of this challenge. Okay, for the challenge, for example, we just have solved the problem with the bubble thief before, with more malicious requests that target your application, and the attacks now come on. It's more apparently like bad actors in this application we create. They are using the logic and target the weak spots and release the block this attack with the custom rules for your WAF web XL. And all these attacks simply against a stranger header is X tomato attack, blocking requests with the header with stop attack. Então, in this case, contain the X tomato attack is one header. In this case, we just will block this header with this name and create this rule with any value that we can use the rule that will contain this malicious attack. Yeah, great. Come on, just hands on, and we just go in WAF application. We just have created the last video the role standard. Today we just will go in the roles and create the specific role. Okay, we just will put the rule group, use the inspect for partner, the rule group. In this case, you just in this time we just will use the state match. We can use for IP, for rule builder. In this case, we can just use header and other kinds, specific that match with you, and we can just create also one rule group. Okay, but now we just will create a rule builder. We just will name of these come on, put the X tomato Tomato attack is a regular rule, and come on, put the match with the statement. Don't need change this. We just will put a request a header field name. We just will put the header field the attack is coming, and here in the match could be in this case we can just put size greater or than or equal to, and the size we can just put 0, and this is the HTML and the code lowercase. Here we just don't put none, don't need put something. In this case what we just will do, we will block. Okay, here don't need to put the response block action, it's already okay. Here is in this case for the string that you want to put, like some string you direct for your name server. You can use also, but it's not necessary because we are using the cloud formation. Okay, we just have it create, and the capacity is 1 and is blocked. Now for see if it's working this block to test this result. In this case we just will send one request for this application, and the what rule need should back that is blocked with the response for 103 in this case. And for this to test we just need to go and make this command in the terminal. Okay, tomato red juice, and the URL is the URLs of the video that the application that we created. In this case it's blocked, the error it's here, it's blocked, and it's okay. Okay, we can change the request different now, just put green here, but it's also blocked. In the case we just remove the rule, delete. Okay, and we just will make the same request. I'm gonna give it some minutes. I think it's blocked yet. It's blocked because of. Now it's okay. It's coming back. Just take some seconds, but I will make the request, and now it's not blocked. How you can see, we just get the information description, and we just make one attack in HTML, and it's not blocked. How you can see, give us all the information that we need. Here also. Okay, então just for repeat for you understand, and we repeat that, we just will use the X tomato attack. We just will use the same name. We just will use the match and inspected header. The field we have attack, then the B size greater or equal, and 0. Formation we just will block. Now we just will add this rule again. Okay, it's there. Okay, the rule is there, is blocked. Now we just will test again the attack. It's going yet because it's not open. Some seconds will work. Great. Now it's blocked. Now red, come on, put green. Great, it's blocked. Now the request attack, it's blocked. Your website have one rule. You can use this for IP. You can use it for body, URI, query parameters. You can block or allow what you want. And you may notice that the sample request, uh, will be saved also for you. And you can see these rules after I will show you how to log in and get this information. But for now, this video, I thank you for your watching. And in the next video, we just will learn about rate-based rules. And the rate-based rules is the great way to protect your web application from the DDoS attacks in layer 7 is to use AWS WAF and rate limited rule. This allow you to automatically block from IP specific address and that is send abusive request in your application in this case. And we will learn in the next video. Okay. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. Bye bye.